A couple of days ago I mentioned that the raining season might be over. Well, we're having an encore. And believe me, nobody asked for this. I haven't seen rain like this before in Bangkok. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Nana BTS Station and we thought the raining season was over. It's the 3rd of October and it just went up, and I think this is the heaviest rain I probably ever saw in Bangkok. And I'm not gonna walk in here, not outside, it's just too much, but I just wanted to share it. I'm here at the Sky Bridge, and as you can see, even here in Sukhumvit, everything gets stuck, everything is flooding. This is a different level. And I just made a video a few days ago where I was saying, okay, it's October, it might be over the rainy season, but no, it's not. We're having an encore. And nobody said we want more. So the only thing you can do with this weather is hide. Stay on the sky bridges. Forget about walking down there. So this is the entrance of Sukhumvit Road 11. Here you have the entrance of Soi 8. As you can see, it's like a river. It's not Soi 8 anymore, it's Klong 8. Yeah, what I always say, people are saying, they should fix the sewer system here and the drainage, but there's nothing to fix. Nothing can stop this weather. Nothing can stop this rain. It's just too much. Here the water is even coming through the roofs. Yeah, I wish nobody to be stuck in this weather. I have an umbrella with me, so I might give it a shot to walk towards the next sky bridge to give an update how it looks in Asoke. So the mud is coming out of the sewer here. This normally doesn't flood. It seems to be laying down a little bit. So let's walk in the direction of Asoke.
Wala ka bang ilagay para natin?
Yeah, we really believed that the raining season was at an end. Here, when the cars come through, you get waves. It's like being on the beach. The rats are doing everything they can to escape. This is probably not the safest environment to walk through, but what can you do? You know, every year by the end of September we have the feeling that it's over, the rainy season, but as you can see, look how deep this car is going. That's amazing. You know, I walk these streets every day, so I know there are no potholes in here, but you have to be careful because I cannot see anything. No idea where the pavement is. It's like being on the beach. When it started raining today, I just checked when I made my last flooding video, and that was actually on the 10th of October last year. So October seems to have these really, really heavy downpours, and it's almost like an encore, even though we didn't ask for it. The raining season lets us know that it was here. Lucky that it still starts. Yeah, so you guys know me for making rain videos in Bangkok, and I can honestly say this is the heaviest rain that I've seen. I mean, we've been through a bit of rain, but I have no idea where I'm walking now, but it should be fine. There are no holes in here, as far as I know. Created a little lake here. Here's a pavement. Wow. You know, there are certain areas in the city where we know it floods, like if you go to La Prau or Sukhumvit Road 23 always floods, but I cannot even imagine how that looks now. Yeah, the main thing is to not step into a pothole. So we're almost at Terminal 21. The rain at the moment is not that hard, but it was all done already. Okay, this is a good idea to step in here. So I literally stopped a minute, well, 2 minutes to fix my camera, and as you can see, it's already cleared up. The water is gone. I know there is gonna be water in Soi 23, so I'm gonna walk there, but you can see how quickly the drainage actually takes over. I actually thought I was done for the season. I thought I would not have to make any more rain videos, but I guess I was mistaken. So we are here at Asoke Junction. So the rain happened, life goes on. This is how it typically goes during the rainy season. You know, if you're inside, you're working or whatever, you don't even realize what happened. But we just saw, and it just happens to be that when it rains, it just comes out with so much power and so much water that there's absolutely nothing you can do. So I'm here at the entrance of Soi 23, and as I expected, well, as I knew, 23 is completely flooded. But let's walk in the direction of Krompong. It's 5:15. Normally it should be light, but as you can see, it's quite dark. It almost feels like it's the evening. You see all these side streets here are not really well adapted. all the side streets have the same problem now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, feel free to subscribe. You know I will keep you up to date about anything that goes on in Bangkok. Through rain and through the sun, I will be here. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.